Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Xoss G speedometer. First, ensure your new Xoss G device is fully charged, which usually takes about 2 to 3 hours for a complete power-up. Next, securely mount the speedometer onto your bicycle's handlebars or stem using the provided bracket. Position it so the screen is easily visible and has a clear view of the sky for optimal GPS signal reception. This initial preparation is key for a smooth first ride. Once mounted, power on your Xoss G speedometer by pressing the left button for 3 seconds. Wait for the GPS icon to become solid, indicating a successful signal lock, which typically takes about 30 seconds outdoors. You can cycle through various display modes, such as current speed and total distance, by briefly pressing the left button. To adjust units, like switching between kilometers and miles, navigate the settings menu using the right button. For more precise data, access advanced settings by long pressing the right button for 3 seconds. Here, you can manually input your wheel circumference, which is crucial for accurate speed and distance readings. Consult your tire for this measurement. Additionally, customize the data fields to display your preferred metrics, like average speed or ride time, ensuring your screen shows exactly what you need during your journey. This personalization enhances your riding experience. After your ride, it's time to review your performance. Download the free Xoss app to your smartphone from your app store. Then, connect your Xoss G speedometer to the app via Bluetooth, which usually takes just a few seconds. Once connected, your ride data, including speed, distance, and elevation, will automatically synchronize. You can then analyze your statistics, track your progress over time, and even share your achievements with friends, all within the intuitive app interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.